Hey, Mouseketeers, welcome to the clubhouse. So, this past weekend, I spent a little time up at the Glendale Galleria, and I basically went there to the Pop Mart store. But while I was there, I also saw MINISO, which is a store that sells some Disney figures. So I went to Pop Mart looking for similar type figures. And they had Zootopia, they had some of the Donald Duck 90th birthday figures. It shows on the package what you might get in these. And let me show you the Zootopia, and then here's another Zootopia. They had Disney Princess, they had Lotso the bear, they had a bunch of fun ones in the case that they don't have anymore, which they look really cool, but I'm like, ooh, don't put them in the case, so you tempt me. Then I have to go on eBay and see if I can find them. So anyway, these are $19.99 each for these figures. Let's see, this one does not have a price, but I believe it was $19.99 as well. The Donald, however, was $25.99. I'm thinking maybe because it was older, or maybe because it has more characters inside potentially. So anyway, I wanted to open these up with you to see what we get. Okay, so I brought you a little closer. So you can see what I'm opening up here. I'll slide these others to the side. So this is the Zootopia set. It says Flower World. And it has different Zootopia figures with like a garden background. So I have no idea. I've never purchased MINISO before, but I wanted to see what I got here. They have a pretty good deal too, because if you sign up with your email and phone number, you get points. So I was able to get some dollars off of some of the figures. So that was kind of nice. That was one reason I bought 2 of the Zootopia figures, because I ended up getting some points or some dollars off. So basically inside it looks like this. There's one mystery figure in the package. There is a, I guess if you looked at the options that you might get, you might know what the flower pot is for. And then there's a card here, which I'm going to leave down. I don't know if on the back it shows you what's in here or not. And I was just getting ready to look at the package to see what the potential options were, but I don't want to do that. I want to be surprised. So the nice thing about these, it has a little tear space, and hey, flash, 100-yard dash. That is really cool. So we got Flash, 100-yard dash. Yes, and I looked on the box, and he has a watering can that he is holding. So I am going to put that in his hand. Let's see. Okay, there's a little, it's hard to see, but there's a little hole there. And then there's a little place here on the watering can. So let's see if I can. And he's flocked too. His arms are flocked, but the rest of him is not. Well, his face and hair are flocked, but the rest of him is not. And let's see if it just snaps in there. There we go. All right, so yeah, it just pushes in there. And so it's Flash, 100-yard dash. And these are $19.99. They are made by MINISO. On the back it says Top Toy, but they're sold in the MINISO shop at the Glendale Galleria. There may be more in California and around the country. I don't know. This is the first one I've ever come across. And he stands up on his own. And then the card, oh yeah, okay. The card does show which figure you're going to get. So I'm glad I didn't look at that first. All right, so let's see what the other figure is here that I got. Oh yeah, here's the price, $19.99. I was looking on the package and didn't see it, but I remembered them being $19.99. I just thought, and I remember thinking that the Donald seemed overpriced, but I got him just because I knew he was older, and I wanted to see what we got there. So, all right, so we'll pull this out. There is a card inside, but there is no accessory. So luckily, I'm pretty sure I did not get Flash again. I wish I would get Judy Hopps here, but I don't think it's her. It feels pretty bulky, so I'm thinking it's him, but let's see. All right, there's a nice little tear spot there. Yeah, Claude Hauser, is that his name? Claude Hauser. Claude Hauser? I have to double check that. But that is really cool. And these are really nice figures. Very nice quality. They're hard plastic. I'm not sure exactly, if it's resin or plastic. I'm pretty sure it's plastic. I was looking on the package to see. But it's in, I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese, but it's in a language that I don't know. How's that? On the back, and then the card, yeah, it shows him. So I'll probably go back up there to get some more. It was pretty fun. Like I said, I was up in Glendale anyway. I went to the Walt Disney Imagineering for a special event, and I thought, hey, I've never been to Glendale Galleria. So I stopped in, and I'm glad I did. All right, so, and then I bought this other Zootopia figure. These say sit nicely, and apparently they're sitting nicely. So, Clawhauser. I think I was saying Claude Hauser, but it's Clawhauser. All right. So, but these are different. And I wasn't sure, again, like, I really like the flower figures that I could see on the box. So I'd probably definitely get some more of those. I want to see what these look like first. And I always try to be very careful because I like keeping the boxes. So I always try to be very careful when I open them. There is the little pull where you could pull the little tab here and then, it would open the box up. But I always try to open it the other way just because I want to preserve the box and save it. All right, so that's what's inside. I assume this is a stand to set the figure on. And then there's a card, but I'm not looking. Hopefully you didn't see it either. There's a mystery figure here. Hey, I feel bunny ears. So I have a feeling I'm going to get Judy Hopps, and I love Judy Hopps. All right. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. She is the police officer, Judy Hopps. And, okay, yeah, so there's the Officer Judy, and then there's the regular Judy with the farming Judy. And then there's her card. And then on the back, it has Zootopia. So let me check this stand. Oh my gosh. In here, there's a tiny, tiny little plastic piece. I'm not sure what that is for. I was trying to look at the figure itself on the box, and it does look like there's something right here, but I'm not sure exactly where that would go. But, oh, there's a nice perforated section there to open that. And there's the stand, and then there's this little teeny tiny piece of, oh, it's actually in a separate section there. So I don't know, I'll have to figure out what that's for. And we'll leave it in there for now so I don't lose it. But yeah, it's just got like her badge on it. Little teeny tiny piece of plastic. Oh, duh. I could have looked at the card. I was trying to look at the box. she is holding it. It's actually like a license or maybe her ID that she is holding there. Okay. The only thing that I was thinking that maybe there'd be like a slot to put your card in, but I don't see anything. So I think you're just supposed to set her on the stand there. And that is the Judy Hopps from the Zootopia City Sit Nicely figures. She is really cute. I love that. All right, so I'm going to put her away, and then I will open the Donald figure. And again, he is from the MINISO shop, and it even has the MINISO logo on there. So I'm not sure if the top toy is made by MINISO or how that works. But anyway, he is top toy. All right. And then the Donald figure. So let's open up Donald here. Again, I'm trying not to rip it, but it happens. Okay. So I saw a sneak peek of what's in here because there's a card, and then unfortunately it was facing right at me when I opened the lid. But let's pull out the mystery figure, and then there's like a little stand, I guess, to put the figure on. But at least you'll be surprised. Again, they come in these plastic or kind of foil type packages that you rip open. And Daisy Duck, there she is. All right, so yeah, I saw the Daisy card when I opened it up. I'm not sure why there's a little sticker over that. Oh, hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you see the balloons? That is really cool. All right, so this goes in the back, and it says party time. Oh, there's like a little, I wonder if she stands up on her own. She kind of stands up on her own. There's actually a little spot in her shoe, but there's no little peg here to put her on. So, yeah, but she pretty much stands up. I mean, she kind of has to lean against the card a little. But that's really cool. So I definitely like more of these. There's a Huey, Dewey, and Louie here. It says the Three Ducks. But they're dressed like Donald there. So those are really cool. And that is what I got from the MINISO shop in the Glendale Galleria. Thanks for watching, Mouseketeers. As you saw, I opened up Flash 100-Yard Dash, Claude Hauser, Judy Hopps as an officer, or Officer Judy Hopps, and the Daisy Duck figure from MINISO. It's a shop at the Glendale Galleria in Glendale, California. And if you stop there, that would be great. You may like some of the figures that they have. If you like the Pop Mart figures, you would definitely like these because they're very similar. Again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, I hope that you will click the like button, and please leave me a comment as well. I'd love to hear from you. And if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel already, please click the subscribe button down below. And as always, Mouseketeers, I really appreciate you watching and your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.